National Weather Service in Denver has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Weld County in northeastern Colorado until 3:30 p.m. At 1:28 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greeley and Lucerne. This includes the following streams and drainages: Cache-la-Poudre River, South Platte River, Lone Tree Creek, Willow Creek, and Sand Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from the storm will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads, farmlands along the banks of creeks, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding.